Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone enough to reach boot or recovery. Make sure it shows any charging indicator. Once done, connect with the original USB cable to a computer that has ADB and fastboot tools installed. This matters because you will push commands. If the screen is black but touch works, try a long press sequence to force recovery or use the device key combo to reach fastboot. You need a stable USB link before proceeding. You now confirm connectivity. Run a DB devices or fastboot devices and look for your serial. If present, proceed. If the touchscreen is unresponsive but ADB is available, enable TCPIP on port 5555 and connect over Wi-Fi. This avoids relying on the dead display. Once the device is connected, launch SCRCPY or Vicer on the computer to mirror the screen. These tools stream your phone display with low latency, so you can interact using mouse. You finish by using the mirrored session to control the phone, export photos, or create backups. Make sure to safely unmount storage before disconnecting. If ADB was never accessible, boot recovery and use the file manager, or connect storage with an OTG adapter to copy data. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip is to swap USB ports, try another cable, and reinstall device drivers. Small hardware.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.